Hello, good morning to all. This video I have made for arithmetic progression sum to n terms in an AP. This is the continuation of the topic sum to n terms in an AP because in the previous video I have told about how to find the sum. There are some more questions I want to explain you that in your book. That book is Understanding ICSE Mathematics by ML Agrawal, class 10 and exercise 9.3. So if you see this exercise, so you will get the solutions because very easy exercise. Only the 3 or 4 formulae you have to use here, and the concept is as usual the arithmetic progression. So first term, common difference and number of terms. So how to find the questions? In question number 10 is there, find the 10. Second part, if fourth term of an AP is 22, fourth term is 22 and 15th term is 66. Find the first term and common difference A, D and sum of first 8 terms you have to find. These 3 things you have to find. As you know, the meaning of fourth term and meaning of 15th term. This is A plus 3D is equal to 22. A plus 14D is equal to 66. Then you can solve simultaneously. You will get answer. Minus 11D is equal to minus 44 or D is equal to 4. After getting D is equal to 4, you put here in any equation in these two, you will get the value of A. So this is equal to 22. So A will be 22 minus 12, that is 10. So this is the D 4 and A is equal to 10, first 2 term. Now S8. S8 is equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D formula. So the S8 means n is equal to 8. 2A means 10 plus 8 minus 1 7 into D means 4. So S8 will be 2 4s 20 plus 28. So S8 is equal to 4 and 48. So multiply 192. This is the third answer. मतलब ये जो A is equal to 10, D is equal to 4 and S8 is equal to 192. So only 2 formula, A plus n minus 1 into D, the one formula, and second formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2A plus. So that very easy. You can solve by your own also the related questions. Now the next one, how to do the questions if you have the nth term an, like question number 12. A1, A2, A3 you have to show that these terms in AP and then sum of first 15 terms you have to find. An is equal to 3 plus 4n. I told you an likhe ya tn likhe. In this question the an is written. Nothing to worry. You use simple as tn. This is called tn, the nth term. Now you have to find the a1, a2, a3 and then show that these are in AP. So सबसे पहले we put n is equal to 1, 2, 3 etc. So a1 is equal to n is equal to 1 here, तो ये यहाँ पे भी 4 into 1 that is equal to 7. A2 is equal to 2 here, so 2 here also, 3 plus 4 into 2 means 11. Then A3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3 means 15. Now you can see these three terms, A1 means 7, 11, 15 and so on. Whether you can say the terms are in AP? Yes. Why? Because 11 minus 7 is equal to 15 minus 11 is equal to, the difference is same, that is 4. The difference is coming 4. That's why this one is in common arithmetic progression. This is the reason. Now you have to find the S15, 15th term. Sum of the 15 terms, so n by 2, 2a, the same procedure. A you know, that is the first term. D you know, put the value, and n is equal to 15. So S15 is equal to 15 by 2. 2a means 7 plus 14 into D means 4. So it will be 15 by 2, 14 and plus 56. So this will be S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 70, 35 and then 525 is the value of S15. तो इस तरह से निकाला जा सकता है. You can get the answer. Now other questions also the same type question, but one question is here like question number 15. If Sn denote the sum of first n terms of an AP, prove that S30 is equal to, prove that S30 is equal to 3 into S20 minus S10. This you have to show. How to show? Just put the value of Sn, मतलब n by 2. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड ले ले. तो पहले हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले रहे हैं. S30 मीन्स using the formula you can write here formula Sn is equal to n by 2 2a, जो कि लिखते आ रहे हैं, into D, and then put here, तो 30 by 2 2a plus 29d. okay, 2 15s 2a plus 29d. This is the LHS. Now the right hand side, first you find the S20 and then S10. तो अगर हम साथ में निकालेंगे तो 20 by 2 2a plus 19d in one bracket minus 10 by 2 2a plus 9d in other bracket, and simplify now. So what you will get simplification? 10 2a plus 19d minus 5 2a plus 9d. Now multiplied by 10 here and multiplied by 5 here. Star minus 5 you can say. So it will be 320a plus 190b minus 10a and minus 9 5 45. 45b. Then simplify more. 20a 10a 10a 190d minus 45 means plus 145d. Can you say this part is equal to the this part, right hand side? You cannot say now, but you can say if take common 5 from here, तो 5 अगर कॉमन ले तो 5 into 3 that is 15 and 2a plus 5 6 को डिवाइड 5 2 10 5 9 सा Now you can say these two, मतलब ये LHS था and this is RHS, both are equal, therefore hence proved. Now from 16, 17, these two questions you have to find the digits, the sum of the natural numbers between the two numbers, between the two numbers. जैसे कहीं कोई नंबर लिखा होता है कि हाउ टू फाइंड द सम ऑफ द फर्स्ट 1000 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स. 1000 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स मीन्स start from 1, start from 1, a is equal to 1, d is equal to 1, क्योंकि डिफरेंस भी 1 2 3 4 up to 1000, and l is 1000, l is equal to 1000. तो हाउ मेनी टर्म्स आर देयर? 1000 टर्म. ऑब्वियसली 1 से 1000 तक की 1000 टर्म्स होंगे. तो 1 यूज द फॉर्मूला n by 2 a plus l, l is equal to 1000, या d वाला भी रख सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, दोनों से आंसर सेम आएगा. बट इफ आस्किंग फाइंड द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 15 मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 8, 15 मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 8, फर्स्ट 15, तो सबसे पहला मल्टीपल 15 का 8 का क्या होगा? 8 होगा ऑब्वियसली. 8 1 is 8. एंड व्हाट विल बी द लास्ट मल्टीपल? 15 8 वैसे 15 मल्टीपल पूछ रहा है, फर्स्ट 15, तो 15 इट्स 120. तो L you know and A you know, you can use again the formula n by 2 a plus l. But if asking in between, find the sum of multiples of 9 lying between 300 and 700. जैसे 17 में थर्ड पार्ट lying between मल्टीपल ऑफ 9, इन दोनों के बीच में 9 का मल्टीपल जो हो उसे निकालना है, उनके सम को निकालना है, जितने भी 9 के मल्टीपल. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल फाइंड द मल्टीपल ऑफ 9, द फर्स्ट टर्म जस्ट आफ्टर द 300. तो कैसे निकालेंगे? जैसे 300 है, इसको 9 से डिवाइड कर दो. 9 3 is 27, 3 9 3 is 27 again means 3. तो it means if you add the 3, तो you will get the multiple of 9, क्योंकि 9 3 is 27, और इसमें 6 और लगाएंगे क्योंकि ये 9 का मल्टीपल तभी बनेगा. तो 9 3 is 27. अब ये तुम्हारा हो गया 3. अगर यहाँ पे 1 रखते हैं, 2 रखते हैं, 3 रखते हैं, 4 रखते हैं, 5, तो you will get the, if you put here 6, तो 9 4s are, इसका मतलब ये अगर 6 हो 306, then it will be divided by the 9. So the first number will be 306. It is first multiple of 9 after 300, just after the 300. Before 700, what will be the multiple of 9? So divide by the 9, 9 7s are 63, 7 and 9 7s are 63. I think it will be, अगर हम 700 से 7 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो कितना है? 693 डिवाइड बाई 9, 9 7s are 63 and 9 7s are 63. Yes. So the last number will be 693. This is the way to find. But after finding this is the first term and this is the last term, you don't know the number of terms. So find the number of terms. How to find? A is equal to 306. L is equal to 693. So do you know the formula? This formula. 693, 306, L minus 1, and what is D? Because it is multiple of 9, so the D will be 9. 693 minus चलो अभी इसको यहीं पे पहले 9n माइनस 9, तो 693 इज इक्वल टू 306 माइनस 9 296, वो 97 प्लस 9n, सब्ट्रैक्ट 693 माइनस 297, 9n is equal to 396. So n is equal to 396 by 9. 9 fours and 9 fours means n is equal to 44. After finding n, you have to find the sum of n terms, मतलब Sn, and use this formula. क्यों? क्योंकि L भी पता है, A भी पता है, तो S 44 by 2, A means 306 and plus 693. Theta then 22 and then multiply these two, you will get answer. Eight, 7, 21978 is the value, means of sum of the terms up to 4, means 44 terms. So this is the exercise based on the AP, sum to n terms, and because no GP is there, so your chapter arithmetic progression is now over. You have to do practice and get the sufficient knowledge and watch the video. Thank you.